A lot of people ask me what is my favorite affiliate network, and it has changed a lot over the years. Okay, I used to run my own affiliate programs with Infusionsoft. This is about 10 years ago, and Infusionsoft was great, but there were problems, challenges, and it was difficult to manage. And paying out commissions and all those things was always a pain, and managing refunds, complete pain in the butt. I then became a huge advocate of ClickBank. As a matter of fact, most of the money I've made in the last 10 years has been via ClickBank. ClickBank has been great because they make managing refunds easy. They always pay you, although they do reserve some money for for refunds. After a couple weeks, you get everything, and it goes direct to your bank account, and there's no hassle. They're a wonderful company to deal with. ClickBank is probably my preferred source of affiliate center to use and promote. I also did quite a bit with JVZoo when it first came out. Big problem I had there is we kind of moved into JVZoo right when ClickBank was stopping the sales of business opportunity style products, which unfortunately, at that point in time, which what I was selling or creating, they were real products, but they were sold with business opportunity style newsletter or sales letters, which are very aggressive, promised the moon. And even though our systems worked and people were thrilled with the results, the moon was always bigger than what people really achieved. They were never fake, they were never MLMs, they were very real software packages. Still, a lot of the people who were at ClickBank, the affiliates, would sell to their affiliate network that were used to, at that point, ClickBank was getting like a 40% refund rate. Because of the nature of the sales letters, really overpromising. And they have a standard 60-day refund policy. So a lot of customers were like, oh, I'll buy that and then refund it. So we got up to like a 40% refund rate. And that's why they had to put a stop on the business opportunity style sales letters. I do not blame ClickBank for that. In hindsight, I wish we would have stayed with what we originally started in 2008, which was aggressive, but very, very feature benefits style sales letter, which is what we do now. Aggressive, but features and benefits. As opposed to, storytelling about how somebody made $976 a day. That type of thing sets unreasonable expectations. And then you're always talking about, I can do it in 3 clicks and this and that. All in all, it really didn't make things better for the customer. You got conversions like crazy, but you gave, half that money back, and it became an accounting nightmare, and you get excited. But when we moved to JVZoo didn't really monitor sales letters or anything like that. So we basically took the same style, but we're going to make things a whole lot worse by throwing PayPal into that system. And suddenly, a lot of people realize that, well, all you got to do is file a complaint with PayPal, and they'll do a chargeback in your favor every time. So that's when the old PayPal accounts were getting lost left and right, because we're still doing the same stupid sales letters. And JVZoo warned you not to be stupid, because your PayPal account is in jeopardy. And then, we were stupid and said it's all instant pay, so people would come in and they get paid instant commissions, and then the chargebacks would come. So these Asian affiliate credit card farms, which steal people's credit cards, would buy a bunch of products through affiliate links, their own, and they would collect the commissions, and then the chargebacks from the credit cards would come, and then PayPal would drop you, and you were stuck, not able to get your money back from the affiliate because they were already paid. And they closed their PayPal accounts down, all that stuff. So that's not really a challenge anymore. But PayPal is a big problem for any affiliate system. And I use PayPal to collect money now. And I use it to sell my day-to-day customers. But I don't use it for any affiliate marketing systems because of too many headaches. I went from there to Cash Network. Cash Network is a brilliant system. It's a CPA network, and we sold a lot of product, millions of dollars in product in Cash Network. But at the time we did that, everyone else kind of followed on over from the ClickBank and JVZoo world to become affiliates, and they got a lot worse. Now, we had to use a merchant, a regular credit card company. I had a partner who had excellent financial backing, so he lined up the merchant account. But the problem was a lot of these people who were buying, again, were from the same people, credit card farms, and that's scam sort of stuff, or they came from the ClickBank world at the 40% refund stuff, and we were still using the same really, really aggressive business opportunities, sales letters. So we ended up, at one point, we were losing $30,000 a month because of chargebacks and refunds, and we finally lost our merchant account, and we had to dig out from underneath that financial mess. So I kind of pulled out of the whole CPA marketing game and said, I've kind of had it up to here with this. I'm going to strictly sell traffic, which I've been doing for the last 6 years. And I like selling traffic. It is challenging to do the sort of volume we used to do, but I continue to sell some small products on ClickBank right now that generate pretty steady income because they're really good quality products. One's the email swipe vault, and the other one's called Bulletproof Email Marketing Solution. And I got basically zero refund, and they're done on a features and benefits sales letter. They're aggressive sales letters, don't get me wrong, but they're not deceptive and they're not overly strong at all. And the nice thing is the ClickBank money is just deposited every week in my bank. So they collect it this week, they clear it a week, and then it's there the next week. They reserve, I believe, 20%, and that 20% comes to you at the end of 60 days. So as long as your refund rate's below 20%, you're in good shape. Now, my refund rate on my existing ClickBank products is really low because we're just selling it not as a business opportunity, but this is some training, this is some swipe. These are as it really is. So I like ClickBank as my favorite affiliate network. Now, people selling on ClickBank, it's always a challenge because honestly, you need an email list. And honestly, you need an email list that is built from a means other than business opportunities. ClickBank is more like, I know I'm making money online. I need to buy certain products and features and stuff in order to make it work. Where do I buy those products and tools to make it work? Okay. Most people start off going, I just want a business ready for me to work with. That is a business opportunity niche. You don't see that in any affiliate network. You see these multi-layer marketing schemes and affiliate business opportunities in the box where you buy it and it's all set up. You just buy traffic to it. Those things are all over the place. There are thousands of them, and you will never see really. They're not going to be on JVZoo. They're not going to be on ClickBank, and they're all self-contained sort of affiliate programs. And ultimately, as an affiliate for them, or you get involved in the business, if you get involved at the right point, you can really make a lot of money. But the fact is, 99% of people are going to be lower on the pyramid, and they're just going to give money, and they're never going to make a penny. I don't promote any of those things personally. I have actually made a little money on a couple, but I don't promote them personally because I don't like them. The only thing I promote now are real products and real training and stuff to help people who are serious about being in business, and not the scammy stuff or the MLMs and things like that. There's a lot of people that have been in that business that either made a lot of money and got caught and now they're in jail, or they got involved in drugs, or they went bankrupt. It's just not real. It's not real. It's a scam. So my favorite affiliate network is ClickBank with a long shot. Now, how do you make it work? As an affiliate, ClickBank University is the best thing I can offer you. So we've got some free training and something to share with you. If you click on the link below, check it out. I mean, this is the serious stuff. This is how it's actually done. And you can easily replace your income and easily, bring home 6 figures a year with just doing things in ClickBank. um, that you have to think about and you have to follow through and use their process. It's not done for you. You have to do it, but click the link below. Give it some thought, and it's probably the best network I can recommend to anybody.